Today we're going to be taking all this out, system boiler, cylinder and everything, and on that wall there we're going to be putting a combi boiler, because we can't put it back on this wall because there's not enough space from front of the boiler to the wall for service clearances. We need 60 centimetres, so we're going to put it on that wall, nice and accessible, and take all the pipework over to it. I shall show you once it's all done. Okay, now all out. Combi on that wall there. Obviously we've got these pipes going through the floorboards. We don't want to just elbow them and go across, because obviously it's going to be, we want this to be a flat floor. So we're going to take all the pipes, have the floor up, take them all up and come up over there and into the boiler. Makes it a much neater job. I'll show you the finish in a minute. Floorboards up, clips up, ready to pipe it up. There we go, boiler all done. All the pipes taken over right to the corner, so that's where I came up before, don't forget. And that's it. Got a filter on there on the return pipe, so when the heating system's pumping round the water, it pumps into the filter before it pumps into the boiler. Always important to put it on the return. Scale juicer to protect the hot water heat exchanger in the boiler. And we've got hive control, so they can control it via the internet. That's it really. Took about 5 hours. Dosed up with inhibitor, flush through. It's nice and clean anyway because the radiators are not too old with the pipework. And that's it. Close the door on that. Lovely.